Oh, what is this thing?
Help me wash the car. We're going on a date. Help me wash it.
Sorry, the car wash machine is broken today. The car wash machine is broken.
I just saw you finish washing a car.
It just broke. He just told me it broke.
No way. How about this? Can you help me wash it?
No. This is too small. No. The car wash machine said it's broken.
Can you do one more? Please help
big
me
brother.
wash it. I'm in a hurry for a date.
Hold on a moment. Let me ask my car wash machine if it's broken.
Oh my car washing machine says it's working again.
Can you
my car
help
washing
me
machine
wash
says
it?
it's working again. Your car, really? You're taking a car off-road?
Yeah, the Accord went off-road. It's all smashed up there. Did the Accord go off-road?
Oh, you really are awesome, brother. Taking an Accord for off-roading.
New Nasen, this car is awesome. There's even a smiley face painted on the front. Wow. No money to wash the car? No wonder you came here to wash it. Let's get started. This wheel rim is a bit warm. Let's blow on it.1比1:5，不管它直接到能到多少是多少。再来对一个神秘颜色，一个绿色，加一个蓝色，看看出来是什么样的颜色。单绿更蓝。Good. 1
给兄弟们来一口雪花。手套也来一点。擦一个面就洗一下手套。OK， 收水。
Good. Finally got it done. Let's take a look at today's battlefield.
Let's clean the floor.